All right, guys. When you're done with your first 40 lessons in the SAM for Chapter 1, we're going to do a little bit of a project just to show me that you know what to do and how to use some of the functions that we've learned. We're going to create a document. You're just going to type your name, your school, your grade level, and then we're going to make some changes to that document. All right, so the first thing I want you to do is we're going to open up Word, and you can go to Start. And I'm going to go here and double click it, open up my Word 2013. Maybe. All right, there we go. So once you have it open, the first thing we want to do is create a blank document or create a new document. And we're just going to have a few elements on here. I just want you guys to be able to manipulate some things and put some things into practice that we talked about. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to type your name. You're going to type your school that you're going to. So for you guys, it'll be Walnut Ridge. For me, it was Independence. And you're going to put down what year you are. So if you're a senior, junior, sophomore, freshman, and the year that you're graduating. All right, so there you have those three elements. Now, these directions will be in your Google Classroom as well. So what you want to do is you want to change the font on your name to 36 points. So what you're going to do, up here you'll see these tabs. These are called tabs, and you see Home, or File, Home, Insert, Design, Page Layout, Reference, Mailings, Review, View, and PDF. So you can see that this one is highlighted or chosen, and it's the Home tab. You also have the Insert tab, Design tab, but we're going to use the Home tab to change the font. So here under the Home tab, you see the font window here is open, and right here, we're going to choose this drop-down box for the font size, and I'm going to find 36. You'll see in the directions that for your school, you want to make that 24, and all I'm doing here is what you did in some of your lessons. You're highlighting the word I'll show you one of two methods. You saw that I left-click and held it down and drug it across. I'm going to go here to the font size drop-down. Choose 24. Now another way to highlight this is to take your cursor, put it outside of the margin here where it's an arrow, and click, and that will also bring up the dialog box, the font box, a portion of it, but it would also just highlight that for you. But I'm going to go back up here to the font size, and for your year and your graduation year, you should make that 20. All right, so after you've made that 20, what we're going to do is we're going to apply a text effect to your school name. So I'm going to click outside of the margin, and it'll highlight my name. Again, here under font, you'll see the text effects and typography drop down arrow. And from here, I'm going to choose some type of effect. I'll just choose this one here. It's a blue fill. You're going to do the same thing for the school that you attend. I'll choose that one. And you're also going to do the same thing for the year of your graduation. I will choose that. All right, so there I have my name, my school, the grade that I am in school, and my graduation year. The next thing that you want to do is put the cursor in front of your name, and we're going to hit enter 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to hit enter 4 times to bring your name down, because we're also going to insert a picture into your document. All right. So once you've done that, once you've inserted it 4 times, the other thing that we want to make sure that we do is we want to center your name, school, and your grade level and graduation year. All right. So I drug down and I copied all of that. Now I'm going to come up here to where it says paragraph. And if you look, this is the alignment, and we want to choose center. So I'm going to choose center, and it should center my name, school, and graduation year. From there, what we're going to do is we're going to insert a picture, and you guys can insert a picture by going to the Insert tab, and here you'll see pictures as if you have something saved from a file, but we're just going to use online pictures. And what should happen is Bing should show up, and we want to type something in here that we're looking for. This is just one way to do it. I'll type in school, and I'm just going to insert. Let me find a little something. And I'll insert this one. So you click on it, you'll see it's checked. You can click insert and it will put it in. In this instance, it's so big that it put it down on the second page. But if you remember, you can resize it by putting your arrow in the corner. And we're going to resize that picture. And I'm going to bring it up to the top just by simply having a four-headed arrow on there, holding down my left click on my mouse, and you can move it around. So what I'm going to do now is I also want the picture to be centered. I'm just going to click on the picture, go up here to the paragraph, and under alignments, I'm going to hit center, and that'll center my picture for me. All right. The other thing that we want to do is we want to add a border to this page. So if we want to add a border up here on the tabs, we're going to go to Design. I'm going to go all the way over to where it says Page Borders. Under Style, you can choose whatever style you want to. Just use something inside of here. I'm going to choose this one. But I am going to require you to make this red. And for the width, we want to make it 2 1/4 point. After you've done that, you'll click OK. And then you'll see that you have a border on your page. So once you've done all of these elements, what you want to do is you want to go to File. You want to go to Save As. Save this on your computer. A simple way to do it to make sure you get it turned in is just save it to your desktop. Once that comes up, you'll click Save. And then you want to make sure that you turn that into Google Classrooms as an attachment. And we'll go over how to do that. But this is just a brief way to help you guys to make sure you complete the project correctly. If you guys have any questions, make sure you come and see me. Thanks.